Good morning, traders. Gold respected our level beautifully and moved up. But now comes the difficult part. Let's see. As predicted, let me zoom in a little bit more. See this beautiful chart right here, and the difficult part right here, my friends. On the surface it may seem very easy, but how much difficulty is involved right here at this moment, the retail trader is not aware of it. Okay, so obviously a lot I can talk about gold today. There is a lot happening, so let's see even the H4 chart. Have a look at the H4 chart now. Up here, you see my cursor? Up here, right here. Is this a place I want to buy? Or I have enough information to sell? Do you get what I say? Understand these plans with me. Extremely beautiful market it is. This week it gave fantastic profits. Now we need to understand it one step further. As a trader, this is our responsibility to see like why we all are right here. Obviously for money, to generate money from this market, to make money, to make our future. So then obviously when we come to this market, there are these different like this market has its own rules. So what do you say? Do you think this is a good buying level? This one. Okay. This place, and right here just see there is one type of opportunity I see at the moment, but my friends, I have to find out, is this market favorable in buy or sell? As a trader, this will be now my duty. This is my job. Did you see how beautiful profit it gave from here? Beautiful profits, right? So whether I will buy from right here or I will sell from right here, that will depend what type of a structure I do get right here. and at the same time if I look for a sell, I don't have enough information to sell either at the moment. So what we do now? See my friends, many traders feel forced to click something here, okay, maybe click a buy, maybe click a sell. I'm not doing that. Why? Because I already told, once on the surface something appear, I will be doing something. So what right now at this particular zone? Right now I am more interested in what price does next. Does it build a structure? Okay, beautiful structures, or momentum slowdown maybe, or any reason, I should say, like any reason we need. So on the basis of that, so we can then sell. Okay, remember, good trading is not finding trades everywhere. Good trading is knowing where not to trade, my dear friends. So for now I wait, and while we wait together, let's discuss what would make this bullish continuation and what would completely invalidate this idea. First of all, we will see who are actually trapped in the market: the buyers, the sellers, or none. But if it gave this bigger move, I assume it must have trapped someone. Okay, it must have trapped someone, and this is with guarantee, I can tell you. With full guarantee, I'm telling you this. Someone are trapped right here in this market. I will be quickly checking the audio and the video, and then I will proceed further. Let me head over to your chat as well. Walaikum assalam to everyone. Walaikum assalam. I have no evidence for a sell at this moment. Together we will be waiting for evidence, yet the London session open. We have the whole day left, so we will get something. Well, if you are scalping to the sell side, sugged, then I cannot say much. Yes, this is excellent. Sellers are trapped. 45.55. Such, this is excellent. 45.55. No. Recovery occurred, so sellers got trapped. Have a look at it, my friends. Beautiful market and relaxed market it is, by the way. When people make money, it feels as if like, everything is fine. This retest 44.20 and this retest 44 somewhere. These are left. Okay, this is left, this is left, but the seller did not get trapped. Okay, these are not the, now understand it, sell trap and buy trap. This is not a trap zone, this is a reversal area. So right here we cannot say that the sellers are trapped right here. We can say that the buyers missed. Buyers missed. Clear? And similarly right here is the buyers missed. So where is the seller trap then? Okay, buy trap some other time I will discuss. Now let's see the sell trap. I'm telling you that where seller got trapped, so that next time you be very careful in such situations. Let's highlight this whole area. Let's change the color as well. This is Forex life, my dear friends. Just try to enjoy it. When you enjoy this process, you will be automatically making money, huge money. The type of success you will get, you must not have imagined. So let's see how sellers got trapped. Here, have a look at it. This is now I am sell trap explaining. Right here, if you see market nicely coming down, first right here the bulls appeared, scalpers made profit but the swing traders couldn't make profit. Then similarly right here scalpers made profit, intraday made profit, but the swing, the bigger trader obviously is stopped out. So when right here, if you see right here, now finally everyone thought when they saw this big candle. Let me zoom in. This is just practice going on, okay? So when everyone got trapped, my friends, here bigger candles appeared. Can you see my drawings? When bigger people appears from right here, everyone thought, oh, now it's not going to stop. Sellers got trapped, stopped out. Again a drop against them, and emotionally everyone just sold. The market did instead something else. And I was live yesterday when market was doing this. I was with you. Check out stream number 123 later if you want, okay? Anyone who is watching me for the first time, to them I'm telling this. Now coming to the original thing. So my friends, for a buy I have nothing, and for a sell I have nothing. So for now, like, I wait, okay? And while we wait, let's discuss what would make this bullish continuation and what would completely invalidate this idea. So who is trapped? Seller is trapped, my friends. Okay. Late buyers and early sellers, they are trapped. And what will make me interested again to see this whole, because whatever profit I was supposed to be taking, I took it. Okay. This is just an impulsive trade. There is no logic behind it. Okay. I just need to stop myself from, let me make it this way. Sometimes we need to explain the markets as well, because these markets are such deadly markets, they can take everything from us. So now listen to the story. Remember, good trading is knowing where not to trade. Now I want to tell you, let's say if this market start to slow down for around 4 hours. Just think about it. What will change? Would I regret missing this move more than taking a bad trade? What the emotional trader do right now? The emotional trader is buying, just like you saw my trade. Buying, I think, is correct today, but I have no evidence. This price is far away from my entry. So what's next then? What I'm doing right now is I am reading the behavior of the candles. These candles have their own behavior. Behavior of the candles. Now remember this rejection area from where this market reverses. This one. It's going up, okay, but I want to remain a little bit disciplined today. Or shall I make profits first and then? Okay, not much, I'm just adding 0.01. A bit impulsive entry, but my friends, yes, this is how it is. Let me head over to your chat if there is any. Yes, sellers are waiting for retracement to leave their positions. Right here, if we see, this rejection area. Understand it, okay? Understand it very, very nicely. This rejection area is interesting because it is not a random location. This is not a random location. So what it is then? This area lines up with the D. This is point D. Of the bullish of the bearish A B C D pattern that started on April 17, 2026 and completed around 28th May 2026. So I mean yesterday it got completed, and that's why this level is point D with us. 17th April as this. If this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is 17th April, (2026), and this is 28th May 2026, and this is that zone, and we cannot take it for granted. And since this time frame, literally every impulse wave that I gave worked. Yes. But what I get in response? Did you guys trade it? Did you guys change your life with it? No. Be honest, tell me. In these 2 months I'm live streaming, I made this profit with you. Did you guys made this much profit? Please let me know. So if not, we know why. What is going on? Why? Why is it happening? We should understand it. Search the 278. Well, if I tell you that I don't see it as a global economy or that or this. This clearly is technical to me. You just see this yesterday's reversal. You just see it. This is simply a point D. People say this is war, this is that tweet from that person, that person, that person. No. Simple technical it is. Don't overcomplicate it for yourself. Ever. the good HK wines, the good buying was yesterday, okay? So not today. You have missed the good buying. You have completely missed. What were you doing yesterday? Now you are asking me. So this everything, my friends, is technical, okay? One can easily say maybe a tweet came from the USA, maybe something else came, maybe something else came. Now, remember, pure technical. Yes, this is pure technical. It has nothing to do with the fundamentals that way. Do you want to know where that ABCD pattern was? On the daily, okay? On the daily it was. Let's first delete this. As I'm telling you, this ABCD method, this market structure can change your life. Don't take it for granted, okay? It can literally change your future in a very good way. Anyone who learns it. Have a look at it on the daily. When this happened, if didn't I said or predicted this move in my previous videos, this 61.8, I did. Then have a simple look at that. Is a bit long-term story. Let's first focus on this one. A to B, and not even a single pip of here and there inside this whole story. Now does that make sense to you? Where this will become the A, B, C and the D. Finally got completed yesterday. So isn't it interesting, my dear friends? It is. It is a very interesting story right here with us, where the market completed yesterday. Now, after this completion, what we get from 17th April till 28th May, we got bearish pressure on the H4 time frame. On the H4 time frame, what we have got? We have got a bearish pressure. And right here is where this was a sell trap. This candle, just this candle. Thank God I did not trade it. This whole was a what? Sell trap. This whole was a sell trap right here. So we as a traders need to identify these things. Then we will be called ourselves good traders. If we don't, if we just listen to our own intuition, not intuition, intuition is right actually, intuition usually stops us from trading, but our inner voice, that chirping bird inside our mind, that crazy greedy, everyone has such bird in their minds. So this was a sell trap. Okay, today now you understand what is a sell trap. Buy trap whenever happens, I will explain that for you. Now if I want to talk about this particular sell trap, I can literally switch to the lower time frames. Okay, but for now understand it that in a bearish market, when the candle was coming down nicely as this, and this is a bearish candle, suddenly bulls appeared. Okay, and then slightly the market go up, even there was a little gap as well, and the market collapsed with this bigger candle as a sell. Even one after that was a sell candle. Literally everyone, this is a sell trap candlestick pattern. Draw it, print it, whatever you do. Take a picture of it, place it on your desktop, wherever it is possible for you. Understand this pattern, because who knows when it forms next on these higher time frames. Candlestick pattern, beautiful one it is. What after that? Any idea? Now remember, price already reacted from this area once in the past, if I show you. Okay, you know, but respecting a level and blindly selling are two different things. Then they are completely two different things. For me the question now is simple: is this rejection strong enough to continue the H4 bearish pressure, or is this only profit taking before continuation higher? Yes, my friends. It can be the profit taking zone right now. Here, when it was completing, you know, profit taking zone A, B, C and D. This is the entry, this is the stop loss, this is the target. What I usually tell you, that taking a trade is taking three decisions: stop loss, entry, target. Everything is built in this particular strategy, C to D. So obviously the actual ones, the actual sellers entered from here and left near point D. Understand? I hope you do. Okay, so right here I'm not just focused on this candle alone. I'm focused on what price builds after this particular rejection. We have several levels as well, and if sellers are serious, what would happen next? Do you know? Now we have to find out whether the sellers are serious or not, because if the sellers were serious, they broke this level. These sellers had this particular Fibonacci 61.8% retracement. Okay, they have what? This 61.8% retracement. Price did not respected it. Fine, we say okay. No problem, it's okay. From right here, market was supposed to be taking a bounce. It did not took. Now where is the next sell area where we can see that okay, maybe the sellers should react? Where is that place? I hope this ABCD pattern you understood, so now I'm deleting it. Let me head over to your chat if any, obviously, because I will be connected with you right here as well. Till now so far, I hope what I'm discussing you are liking it. Sajid, I guess you did not understood the concept completely. After D wave, what is expected? Check out my previous videos, please. Can you look daily Bitcoin waves? Where should buy? No, sorry, I'm just looking at gold. Marcus, my dear friend, don't worry. Good corrections are yet to come. Okay, we will be getting from good places into buy trades. Don't worry. Mine one is this one buy you see is a bit impulsive one. Okay, I mean I'm just in front of the PC and it seems like this level is broken, so that's why I took it on the basis of this. So I was saying the next level. Obviously, guys, I am a Fibonacci trader. Okay. If we talk in terms of this trend line, most of the trader is selling on this trend line right now. And even perhaps that's one of the reason this market gets slowed down right here, because of this trend line. But one thing I want to tell you, as per the I'm not saying it, ABCD pattern say it itself. There is one ABCD and there is one 61.8% retracement somewhere right here, 46.16. okay, if price also doesn't respect it, then let's see what it can be. And what would invalidate this bearish idea, let's say? Okay, $43.70 I updated in the Discord as well, not yesterday, before yesterday. $43.70 level I gave in the Discord for buy 4400 and 4370. I will be showing you the Discord as well. What would invalidate this bearish move? Obviously, I ask you, what will invalidate this move? There is a very simple answer to it. Thank you, Sajd. So this wave, which is now present in the market from 43.60 somewhere back till 46.16, and then maybe a breakout retest, or God knows what happens after that. Okay, but I made pretty much nice profits from right here. Okay, I mean, see this level as well. Usually such patterns are formed for bearish, but right here this pattern failed. At this particular zone, this pattern failed. As per them, it was supposed to be going down from here. From here, it came up with a breakout. If this is a false one, then we can expect something. Now my friend, we also have two stories happening at the same time. Remember, the rejection area above aligns with the D point of a bearish ABCD pattern that helped create bearish pressure on H4. But the place from where buyer stepped in is also important. That area sits around the C point of a larger daily bullish ABCD structure. I am showing you something else as well now. Okay, that is going to open your minds. Then you will understand it nicely. Have a look at it. I'm not in mood of trading anymore otherwise, okay, and I'm holding good swing opportunities to the top. Now understand this a little bit, okay. This is now a daily time frame. And this is now, understand it this way, okay. Inshallah, your problems will be solved after watching this. Still you guys don't believe on my strategy. Let's see this. And together we will be following it, okay. We will be seeing this market will be on this impulsive wave, remember. in the longer run. This is such a market. See, this is 61.8% retracement. This is 61.8% retracement approximately. See, here we have got a very nice activity right here. This is what's going on in this market. And if I tell you, let's say I buy here, this will be a swing opportunity, okay? Swing. And for that the market needs to break this particular level. And this much people don't understand. Okay, this much they don't understand. Actually, I don't want to trade. This is very lucrative till up there. Proper holding it will be. Okay, and this is a statement. Okay, not for a signal service, but understand it. $51.90 and 43.60. This is support and that is resistance. And one thing I'm telling you, after having this plan, that this bigger C2D I revealed today, it doesn't mean you will stop watching my videos. We will be eating this whole together. So this much is happening in this market right now, and this is the present market, and on the H1 I will be looking at it today. So hopefully if I can get something beautiful today, I will again be trading to the buy side of the market. Otherwise I will just let it go. So today I will have different levels. Okay, just 2 levels I will have, and I would like to look for bullish reaction. Number 1 obviously is this today, this one, and number 2 is this one. So we'll be waiting for it. Okay, and yes, on the lower time frames it will be showing us as this. So let's see what that gives us. Let's patiently wait for it. Okay, Joyride, good afternoon. How are you doing? Can you let me know in the chat which time frame is stronger right now? H4 sellers or daily buyers? If daily buyers are serious, what should they defend? And if H4 sellers win while daily bulls remain valid, and this is where traders get chopped. time frame conflict zones. I made videos on this as well already. Multiple participants are fighting at the same place today. See, 10 minutes ago we have bearish pressure and daily pressure context. See, that is not changing. What changes? Momentum slowed a bit. Yes. What I still need is commitment from one side. Okay. Patience is not randomly like waiting for the market randomly. See, that day I said, even yesterday, randomness is not going to work. So I hope you must have got this whole plan, okay, and you will be trading it along that way. And nice profit, to me I should say nice profit this whole really gave. Even right here, how many weeks ago it was slightly tough, here maybe this C to D was a bit like tough. And yes, on the 1 minute for scalping, it will be showing us scalping, but then discipline is also something. We also cannot leave the discipline. Where was this? Yes, so let's see in the NY session. What do you say? Will you guys be there with me? Joyride H1, let's see. But this previous candle, you know, this, you read, let me read this for you, okay, a little bit. Let me read. See, from 1 2 3 4 5 6 hours, it was purchased, then very less purchases, then a bit more purchases, and then some people sold, and then some people bought, and after that people are selling. But this is not a valid sell point to me. If you guys want the real actual present moment right now, then we have to read this story a little bit, the 5 minute or the 1 minute. Let's study this really then. Above this, well, yes, it can be nice for scalping. Let's say 44 pips can give 77. That type of opportunities are present. Usually I take, but I already made profits. I just don't want to take risk. If you want to see it as this, consider take this as a support, okay, and take that as a resistance, and this will become your entry. Okay, good entry it can be. Back till 45.23, good pips it is suggesting, for even from right here 70 pips with a 42 pips of a risk. Let me take it then. This is not that other stuff, okay, remember, this is not that other stuff, the one that I discussed. This is just random. I saw on the 1 minute market structure an entry and I took it, okay. This is that type of, this is not a disciplined trade, remember. This is a quick scalping trade, can go immediately wrong. 39 pips, but since I see very less risk involved, so I say okay, let's take it. While I take it, this level will definitely be slightly problematic, I should say. Thank you, Marcos, my dear friend. Just this one trade with you guys, then I may leave, okay? I will try to join you in the NY session. See, my friend, listen. If this is not a disciplined trade, okay, then what type of a trade is this? I should say this is a classic emotional trade. How? Because when, and this is psychology, when the traders see that, oh, I missed this move, and it's not about only those traders who miss this move, even those who traded and booked profits right here, just like yesterday I booked profits right here and left, they are getting emotional that we are missing on something very big. Because obviously, my friends, if we see on the higher time frame, I mean, this is way too lucrative, 7,000 pips of a profit. So I see it as this right now, but who knows when it happens, and even if it is happening or not happening, even price is going to take a pause right here or right here, how the conditions will be. And even today this is also possible. Thousand of the times of I see that market go below point D, okay, and this will then be invalidated. If price go below this, it will be invalidated, but then that will be a very too crashing situation. So then do you think we have such crashing situations happening? So the importance of this level, my friend, understand 43.60, understand it. So yes, I was saying about this entry. Anyone want to participate in super chat? You are most welcome. See, I know you guys make profits, and if you share some with me, if you Patreon, like, you know, where the creator is appreciated in terms of super chats, and this is why this feature is present in the YouTube. Okay, I mean, I can everyday super chat myself, but YouTube doesn't accept that. So YouTube accept that someone else should go for a super chat. Then YouTube will consider this stream that, oh, okay, people are really learning something, because people cannot listen to your voice. Yesterday I requested to have a comment below the stream, and can you imagine, I got no comment at all. I got 0 comments. So later that night when I was falling asleep, I was a bit, I say, oh, I'm putting a lot of effort. I almost spend my whole day with these traders, and this much they didn't listen to me. I slept completely sad. And remember, Forex traders are, mentors are very sensitive like a child. Why? They have seen so many bad times, my dear friends. They are from right here, tiny childs, the real ones. So yes, see, emotional trades will then bring this. How many problems do I solve of people right here? And I just said leave a comment below the stream, and believe me, surprisingly, I get nothing. I can show you that stream right now. Even right now, check the yesterday stream number 123. Check it. You will see hardly any comments there. Okay. Why human is so much selfish? Remember, those traders, those people who are misers, who are selfish, they will never make money in the market. Those who spread the money, money will be following them. After I started making money in 2016 and I made this channel, so when my guru know about it, I obviously told him, said, okay, now good income is coming from trading. So then he used to get upset on me when I didn't give him some appreciation. He was a very rich. He didn't need my 10 or 15 or 20, $30, $50. He was very rich. But he said that take it just like an appreciation. Okay, people do appreciate. Here I said one request yesterday to give me a comment on the stream, and no one. I'm reading a book here. It's written, everyone desires health, happiness, security, peace of mind, and true expression. But how many of us achieve all these goals altogether? If we change our mental patterns and redirect our emotional life, our psychology will be getting improved. Sellers are very angry actually, so that's why it may work or maybe it may not work. But looking at the way these sellers are coming down, now I'm not sure there are bigger levels for buy. Okay, there are bigger levels. And remember, I have compiled this strategy in such a way you don't need to run all of the analysis on every time frame. You can do it on one time frame, okay? So it will be so much easy, but everything saying it in public, I think that is a bit risky. Someone can copy my strategy. So then most of the things I little bit censor as well live. My friends, these days everyone is in some sort of anxiety. And I'm thankful I'm out of my anxiety zone. Maybe out of you who are have not seen that stressful days, I hope you don't see. But out of you, anyone who will be watching this stream later, anyone, these stressful zones, the stress from the finances and stress from this and that and that and that, this forex is the solution if done correctly. If not done correctly, then this is the bad solution, I should say. Honestly, I'm telling you, this is the bad solution. The good solution is forex, but we should understand it the way this market wants us to make. We have to make ourselves that way. You know, most traders are looking for entries. Okay, I'm looking for alignment. If everything's aligned together between time frames, H4 behavior, daily intention, and key reaction zones like the ABCD completion area, and once you start seeing the market like this, you stop chasing the moves and you start understanding why moves actually happens. You then become the master of it in yourself. And honestly, this is like the part you can't fully learn from just like watching a stream, because in real time you are not just learning the pattern, you are learning how to think while price is moving. This is important. So that's why in my private sessions we don't focus on predictions. Okay, we focus on training your eye to see these sequences without hesitation. But for now, watch this space, okay, because the next few candles will tell us which side is actually in control, so then the NY session can be nice one. And remember, my friends, to those of you, I'm telling you, those who saw this ABCD pattern, this, you were ahead of the 95% traders. That person was the brave who catch this buy from here on the basis of this ABCD pattern. And there is yet more to come. Yet more to come right here. There is yet a lot I want to share with you, but I just need more subscribers, okay? Because if I share exactly my strategy right now, so someone will copy, will make an app of that or something. Because when I do it for myself, I just don't need these all time frames. I need one clear time frame to trade. So for example, if the numbers grow to 100,000 subscribers, and even after that if I publish it and someone copy or make this and that, I will have no problem, because I will have a lot of my own audience, my own crew I will have, my own team I will have. And what I'm right here doing, I'm making my own team. Every mentor makes his own team. And even I wasn't interested in this particular trade, but I took it for all of you, okay? Though technically, if I tell you, technically this trade is 100% correct. Yes, 100% this trade is correct. But context matter, my friends, okay? This one is gone and then it's okay, no problem, not a big deal. Market is anyways low volume at this moment. Now today when it will be going for a correction, hundred thousands of people and traders will be selling it emotionally. And I will say, my friend, your hard earned money, are you going to waste it this way? Please don't. Okay. Now I want to leave something for the scalpers right here. For the scalpers, if this trend line is broken, nicely sell opportunities one can take from the market. But personally I'm not selling, okay? I'm happy. It's anyways a month end right now. I will trade, my account will go down, so then it will be not very fun. Let's see in the NY session if I get good trade. This one is still running, so I'm waiting. Let's see, then I will be going for a lunch. Okay, I pre-ordered a car as well, my friend, this season. Good news I wanted to give you, right? But the thing is, I have to first sell this car because I just paid the down payment. I will reveal later that if the deal is successful, okay? Because first I have to sell this car. Cars are way too expensive, my friends, right here. I have a 2006 Honda City manual transmission, and another one that is old school, Khyber 1998. I didn't believe when I was losing money. I didn't believe that. Wait, okay. So when I used to say, "Oh, this is false. This is that. This is that." Then I learn when I saw my profit myself. Then I say, "Wow, yes, this is something." I'm not doing anything, okay, or else I will give back my profits. When the level is not mine, I shouldn't be going against myself. Okay, see you in the NY session. Take care, my friends. See you. Bye bye. Leave a comment below the stream, okay? Leave a comment. I will be waiting. Thank you so much. Take care. Or I will have lunch, and if the market was fast, I will appear before the NY. Or if you guys want to wait, I will have lunch and will get back to you. But anyways, let's wind up. Let's meet in the NY session. Okay.